keep it in mind how to make plural of words ending with ch. Stomach, stomachs. Bench, benches. We see ch in both the words. That is, first word is stomach and as well as bench. Second word is bench. But to make stomach plural, only s is added. But to make bench plural, es marker is added. Here the question arises why we should do so. When ch is pronounced as k or ka in Hindi, then only s should be added or used to make plural form of given words. And when ch is pronounced as ch or in Hindi cha, then es should be used to make plural or more than one. Must keep it in mind and follow accordingly in your English grammar.